Yun ang sabi niya.
Kaninong Facebook po ba yung
Sa kanya,
tinutukoy?
conversation lang na nakita.
Facebook ninyo.
Facebook.
Oh, kung may nag-message doon sa Facebook po ninyo na babae, so sino bang kausap nun? Kung Facebook na.
Ay, hindi ko na din alam. Kasi,
So may nagme-message lang sa'yo bigla-bigla.
kasi yung cellphone na yun, pagdating ko sa bahay, hindi na ako nagamit yan. Sila lang may hawak yan. Yung cellphone na yun.
So ang sinasabi po ninyo, kung meron man nag-message sa inyo, sa Facebook po ninyo, hindi ko kayo yung kausap.
Hindi ko, at saka hindi ko rin kilala yun. Yung sinasabi niya, huwag kami.
Nabanggit si ma'am kanina, nangangamoy yung babae ka raw pag-uwi.
Sabi niya.
Bakit buhangin daw?
Kasi may trabaho ko eh.
Ano po yan, sir?
Hindi naman talaga may iwasan sa construction. Buhangin ka talaga.
Pero yung masang daw na amoy, sir.
Pero amoy po ba? Amoy po. May babae. Wait lang.
Ano lang yan? Katuwiran lang niya yan. Yan, pilusa yan, sir.
Selosa. Malisyosa.
Oo. Lagi yung sinisigawan ako doon sa bahay. Amoy po. Sinisigawan sa bahay.
Sige, yung pala yun. Ma'am, dinedeny naman ni Sir. At
Sir,
nakita niyo ba talaga na merong babae?
sir,
na
nakita
nakasama?
ko talaga, sir. Lumipat sa Limer. Simula sa Limer Pasig. Kasama niya talaga yung babae sa kantin. Kung anong sabi ng mga tao doon sa kantin na kumakain, kasi ang tagal namin doon nag-file siya kasi pinaalis ko siya, iniwas ko siya sa babae, sir. Ang mga babae doon kumakain sa kantin, nagaganyan sa akin eh. Ang naririnig ko sila, siya yung sinisimusan, sabi ng mga tao doon kumakain sa
Sumama yan
kantin.
sa akin doon sa bahay.
Yan pala ang asawa doon.
Galing kita doon sa bahay ko.
Ganun talaga. Tapos lumipat naman po siya. 1 month.
Kasamahan ni Sir.
Nagsabi.
Kasi in the first place, ma'am, wala namang masama kung may katrabaho siyang babae. Okay? At hindi naman po ibig sabihin no, na kung kasama niya agad sa trabaho, may nakatabi siya, kasamang kumain, ibig sabihin may relasyon na si Sir doon sa babae na yon.
Ang budigiro nila, sir, sa Limer, nag-chat sa akin, budigiro nila, ma'am, pwede pumunta ka dito sa Upos mo sa Pasig. Ang asawa mo may babae.
In short, ma'am, may nagsusumbong sa inyo,
Oo, yung budigiro.
nagbibigay ng information. Pero right now,
Wala na po talaga.
hindi natin nakita talaga. Wala tayong confirmation. Kumbaga, ang hawak lang natin is yung mga sumbong.
Oo, tapos nag-chat talaga sa akin na gano'n. Hindi ko kaya pumunta ako doon.
Lagi siyang nagsisilo sa akin. Pag dumating ako galing sa trabaho, sabi niya, ang sarap ng katuta niya.
Talagang malaswa lahat ng sinasabi niya sa inyo.
Oo.
Inaamin niyo, ang baho talaga galing talaga sa babae.
Sobrang voucher itong Axe Hunter this collection. I'm confident, no stress, for one good day. Para sa presyo na to.
Gusto na niya?
Thesis. Ano, thesis. Thesis.
Ulit-ulit? Hindi. Home pwede. Sa home pwede.
Lagi sinasabi niya sa akin, pag
Pinalipat ko siya ng isang buwan dito sa may Mega Mall. Construction din po. Ganon din po. Nandoon din po yung babae. Pinasok din po niya doon. Tapos hindi pa ako nakontento. Nilipat ko na naman siya sa Okada. Sa Bishore. Pinasok na naman yung babae. Kitang-kita ko sa aking mata na sumakit talaga. Hindi ang profile niya. Kaso lang hindi ko alam kung anong totoong pangalan.
Picturean niyo ba?
Hindi
Nakita niyo
kasi-
yung best niyo na nakita.
Ilang beses ko nakita si
Sabi mo lipat ko eh. Oo nga. Saan? Kaya mo. Yan. Ano, ikakagat na sana. Sa likod. Buti nawak ko. Saan? Ayusin mo!
These three young men are amazed to see the picture of the sea on a wreckage because they have lived inside a high wall that was built hundreds of years. They have never gone outside since birth. This wall was built to protect themselves from the ferocious typhons that are out there. However, the desire and curiosity of these three young men made them want to know the outside world. Onan and his friends were already very close to the high wall that protected them. Unfortunately, the soldiers managed to catch them and tried to fight back. was eventually paralyzed. The soldier then advised 3 young men. Not long after, there was a strong vibration coming from the protective wall. Birds flew. The bottom of the wall began to shake, and ahead of them, there was a titan trying to enter. The wall finally. Fanny, they prepared cannons to fight. The cannons came fire. Aaron hid behind the ruin. They saw directly the titans starting to enter from the hole in the wall. These titans were not wearing anything on their bodies. Their faces were also very strange. They loved to eat food. Cannons that hit them because their bodies could heal themselves. The soldier was eaten by this titan, followed by others. The soldiers in the front line ate the meal of these hungry titans. Residents in the market also ate. These titans seemed to be celebrating, but they found a place with many humans. A place that had been safe for hundreds of years had now become a sea of death. Noble-hearted Mikasa was separated from her because she wanted to save a baby. But now she was scared and could not go anywhere else. There was Titan who saw her. Mikasa gave up. Ayan was very devastated by the before his eyes. 2 years have passed. Now a special force has been formed to fight people. They also have sophisticated equipment. The woman who became the leader is very optimistic about the strength of her troops. They have a mission to guard the construction of the external wall that has been damaged by Titan. Come on, follow the struggle against them. Look, these 3 young men